Friends, hello everyone. In this video, let's talk to you about how quickly and easily you can disable autoplay video on Facebook. Don't forget, dear friends, please put your likes, write comments, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. Well, let us get down to this topic. And first of all, please friends, open the Facebook app itself on your devices. Now you'll need to go to the menu section at the bottom. Next, on the top right, please click on the gear to open up Settings. In the Settings, you'll scroll down and you'll need to find a section called Media. Open that up. And here you can easily see a section called Autoplay. And you can set it up, for example, only when you're on Wi-Fi, so the videos will only play when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, and that will save your internet. Alternatively, you can choose Never. This way your videos will not play when you are scrolling through your Facebook feed or stories. This is how you can easily disable autoplaying videos on Facebook. I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.